Hi, I'm Lisa, and I am back because I got my first order of Morrocco Method products, and I wanted to show them to you. In my little box, I got the starter kit. I got all 5 of the shampoos. I got 2 conditioners, Blood of the Dragon styling gel, sapphire volumizer mist, and diamond crystal mist. Oil, which I think you are putting oil in your hair at night, which I have done before, but not with this. And so I'm going to probably do that tonight. So I'll let you know how that goes. The Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask, and I know that is part of the detoxing process. If you're going from a regular shampoo to more to natural shampoo, a little rubber scalp massager. And it actually feels really good, very comfortable, and doesn't hurt, and it is very relaxing. My plan is to do the oil, and then maybe tomorrow wash it again and style it with the styling products, and I will let you know how that all goes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.